Awie yene Minister Joe Mettle ena etwetwe nkomo said the medical kai no ebe interactive into ubetumi asend a message na ya kenkan e de ama WhatsApp 0207 150 150 and afei so Facebook okay 101.7 FM afei me personal Facebook Abeku Santana Agri ubetumi ediaguo sanso na betumi follow Joe Mettle patro Joe my Facebook account any social media handles
Facebook at Joe Mettle Twitter @jmettle and Instagram so Joe Mettle.
Okay.
Joe Mettle verified.
Also betumi akan messages and for the ma. Nti na ye interactive said ye obia wo follow Joe Mettle bia no obetumi send the message amana kan and was it yesterday? Sunday.
Yeah.
Yes, Sunday no and Olanche in a single no.
Yes.
Or yeah, virtual way. Went me and read messages because me and Kasame Baho. But the net there, we read messages. I'm
no problem.
Now, let me give you a little profile about Minister Joe Mettle. Joe Mettle Echo School, Ewo Richard Akwe Memorial School. And sana wo be fi Accra akokede. It is a more kede Joe Mettle watena kede da. Eye kede 1 and 2 primary school.
Yeah.
Joe Mettle ba school ho. Inti kede for by now say mutumi pass asibi na mo pe a friend say enkoso hini bi na mo de ma Joe Mettle because Joe Mettle ba school o kede. A year later ena osan bankra ena okọ St Michael's ene All Angels School. And or two so called colleague on 3 junior high school. It's colleague on of what Joe Mettle dear colleague on no fee one what and now fee colleague on 3 junior high school or call Accra Academy.
So that I've always been wondering where that came from.
One Accra.
May apply a cracker. But around that time, Omanjime.
You coffee.
I wanted to do architecture, so I went to Modesco.
Okay, Modesco. Okay. And now, Ofi Modesco no, uko P Pentecost University. It you call Pentecost University.
So after Modesco, what happened is because Modesco, City and Guilds.
Yeah.
So we couldn't have the SSC, so I had to go to His Majesty Academy.
Okay.
Write remedial.
Okay.
And then went to Pentecost University.
Wow, so you are so determined.
Oh yeah.
What for Modesco? What call a year?
If I call Modesco, I call New Century Career Training Institute, and Sana me call remedial no, and they call Pentecost University.
Wow. But some farmer a Minister Joe Mettle. He was so determined. Sir Okoye architecture and your person call City and Guilds here technical no sound so the far kwan bi so edibe ye wasi to be do wura university no we share obi or ye determined bon say man. All right, Joe Mettle is a product of Pentecost University College. Na said me di kan kai no wa back adjuntufo bebre se wonima Joe Mettle used to back Cindy Thompson. Joe Mettle was serving the late Daninetti. Now, the last time I'm in Adina interview, Adina mentioned in the interview, said, na oneo etunyum. Is it true? Oneo tunyum mukoye rehearsal say wo the late Daninetti ho.
So what I was during Stars of the Future time because I used to work with Danny, and Danny did a few of the Stars of the Future works in Ibi. So they used to come there for training there. And because back then I used to work with Danny. Okay. So sometimes I had to do the work and stuff for them.
Okay. Inti Ushia Adina ewo Danineti ho.
That was a long time ago.
Long time ago. Yeah, she said it. She mentioned it to me ewo a 2 interviews. So but now unim so beba be secular artist because Danineti studio the gospel na namoto.
Okay.
Inti eyo wan say Adina ababe secular musician.
Oh, it was for the competition. Once Obia party are different, so you won't be able to tell where anybody will end up. Oh, and then you're afraid different.
Do you foresee, sir, that change because of starting with gospel and your godfather, the late Danineti, Ishra no ana or mentor no? Do you foresee Adina say one day or be back to gospel ana?
One say, I didn't even say, how do I put it? it's what the person hears and what they follow or what their direction is. You will never be able to. I mean, but I think that if she comes around, it will be a good thing. I believe that God gave all of them the gift, and so the gift is to serve Him as well. I think I sang in the church for a while before she decided to go.
Yeah, okay. So not
autonomous, sorry. But I guess for it's work, and she's decided to go that path.
Yeah, nimsa Miss V so now or Lighthouse Chapel no so autonomous.
Okay, I didn't know that.
And Crawford said the church and supporting artists. We share a year currently. The urban gospel album. I mean, you are one great influential minister. We are urban and even traditional. If I say multi-genres of gospel music, into Biblia urban look up to you. What is the position of the church? There are a lot of talents in the churches, but omunya support said ye can you to me launching your church and you be to be Sunday year. I didn't think as I say church in Abanisa.
I think with this particular issue, the way it's been generalized, it's unfair. Not every church and support it. Some churches really do support their people.
Akasi Brimpong was in Pentecost and he moved away. If he got the support, he would have stayed there. King's Kid was in Methodist Church.
Yeah.
So
that's what I'm coming to. Say, not all the churches and support it. Ebi mu support your microphone. But there are times that you may happen to be in a church whose head doesn't have the music at heart. Say, Ebia, the music thing is not, and Nana Kumasi to say, Ebia, other preachers are, he might not put support in that direction like other preachers will. Obi wo ha nye no ne main, because sometimes I've had a pastor where Obi ane ne kasa no catch also. Eno nye me oba so ya betonyo mutunyum na nyame nkro for yenshira eno ano na album ne ade what is the importance of these things if people are already being blessed in the church. Until America says some pastors that's what it is, but others too they really support.
And
the main vision of that church, you know, because some of them really do support. Obi wo ha ebi a on to me ma osika, but would urge the members to support you.
Okay, now let me put the question in this perspective. In Nigeria, we have Pastor Chris. I would be a record label, a record company, and the record label Nadi Nathaniel Bassi ni all these Nigerian artists.
Not really. Nathaniel is redeemed.
Redeemed.
Yes.
Redeemed Church.
Yes.
That is Sinach.
Yeah.
Okay, but even Redeemed Crampo, Bishop Adeboyo.
Yeah.
Okay, in Ghana we have big bishops. You know, now the church is into so many ventures, it be businesses in the idea. Why is the church not finding music business lucrative to even open a record label and unearth or even identify talent in the church or even outside and bring them to the church record label? Do you think, sir, a profitable, a lucrative for the church to venture into that area?
And that is what I said from the beginning. Someone like Pastor Chris. Pastor Chris is very worship oriented as even a man of God. Sometimes he leads the song. Not only that, but I actually even heard that some of the songs in crowd no tro near day. So he has a passion towards that direction of ministry as well as the word ministry. So I'm sure say of Elise or Pushia Ebeboa until the head doesn't have that passion and drive towards that direction of investment to say on yet, because the music investment in itself is very difficult. So sometimes some of the pastors in crowd to me what they do is maybe I say obi wa sorry nuna or what's our gift no person or your album and bibia. Sometimes some of the pastors actually give the artists money to go to the studio and record. Ebi wa on to me follow no completely to say okay, you're on the label of the church, but they support them, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, moving away from there.
Okay.
Okay, 101.7 FM or Facebook Live and UTA or FM da 101.7 FM. Yene Minister Joe Mettle, the first gospel artist in the history of Ghana to have won the Artist of the Year of the most popular, controversial, highly debatable. Just say award that every year and talk 21 years in the beer. What to me afem ababe we need artist of the year. Artist of the year. You share the requirements, winning artist of the year. Nature say you can rub shoulders with secular artists, right? Young kind messages a man for the aba. Joe Oberhell the no, but my main kind me be briefly now also the aba. My brother Robert Afelbedu, the flip man, the official MC for black community and even the white communities in the United States of America. Robert Afelbedu, a GBC trained Fox FM presenter and a seasoned broadcast journalist who is now domiciled in the United States of America. You are watching with your family. Special greetings to your wife Irene and the whole family listening and watching at the same time in New York. And today is your mother's birthday. Oye Auntie Abena is son. Oye Achimoda Ibusuafu nyina what's it happy birthday. It was Queens, New York. Oye Auntie Abena is son Robert Afelbedu ne mame Flipman, happy birthday to you mommy. Ye chia papa panyankopo no nshon kodo ambon ho ban na wona nanom a enya won ho abote na hwe wonyina. God richly bless you. Today also happens to be the birthday of Anas Aremeyao Anas. I don't know why people are not celebrating him, but this man needs to be celebrated because why are there Anas Aremeyao Anas Aremeyao Anas and then a birthday and then Anas birthday. What you say? And then Anas birthday and then Ajete Anan and then a pusher. Okay, the days of things we do for love. And then a pusher birthday. And then a young Kasa Yenuya Ba. Now she has been a blessing to me since 2003. Meko America first time. Ono ena share me documents di manim ono kra wonko America da. But she sacrificed for me to go to America. Na meko so abonidi Abigail Ashley. I've known her for years, 17 years in it, and sana me be adwuma or despite media. Or no, and or they my health, my life, jumedie eba UTV. So behind my smiles, any project, we know her story. How onya kidney failure yadie. Now she's a miracle. And ne Abigail Ashley. Dini birthday, Ebema Minister Mettle, amount special dedication, and then so a millionaire, the first Ghanaian blogger, radio personality, publicist, social media marketer, first Ghanaian blogger, where we need Emmys Award, PAV Answer Communication Man of the Year, Zion Felix. Felix Adumaku Mensa and ne Zion Felix birthday, and Bramen to me amba Ejuma. Na medamunso amo sending messages mame for winning the tourism marketing promoter.
Congrats,
thank you so much. Medamu nyina ase. Afi Angel Town, the manager of Ghanaian hip hop artist, the biggest artist in Africa, the fastest rapper in Africa, the BET awardee, Sako de the manager, Angel Town, and a birthday. And a friend so and creamy R&B Afro pop artist Henry Niama creamy and creamy so birthday. Enti yema wunyina happy birthday and celebrities be brave Eddie Omo birthday. Now Minister Joe Mettle, greetings from Jamaica. Yes, Jamaica. Mary Evangelist Brown.
Yeah.
You know her?
Yeah, I've seen a post.
Wow, yeah. Mary Evangelist Brown. Is she a Jamaican?
Yes.
Wow. So Jamaicans are watching us. Right. Wagwan people.
Wagwan.
Greetings to you from Ghana, Africa. You now say Africa is your homeland. Waiting after COVID-19. Come back home. Come because you are black people. Don't come because you're just Jamaicans. Because this is where you belong to, says Marcus Garvey. Nana Ama Sawabonzu. I'm always happy anytime I hear Minister Joe Mettle's voice. Pascal Kumsen, God bless you, boss. Emmanuel Akaposa. Uncle Joe, what's up? When will you come to Aflao? We can't wait to see you because there are a lot of people over there looking up to you. Abigail Kuma, what is Joe Mettle? When is Joe Mettle getting married? Sa question there. Mabusa, anya mo wase mubusa. Obe ware. Obe yi anonso eri amamo. Esther Ahondo, more oil, more grace, more blessings. Mary Mabroni Amponsa, please give him shout out for me. Thanks. I don't know, maybe referring to an earlier message. God bless you, Minister Joe Mettle from Nancy Inti. Mary Mabroni, it's my father's birthday today, Mr. Ernest Kwabena Yabua. Happy birthday to you from your daughter Mary Mabroni and Ponsa. Bra Joe, you are awesome. From Kofi Owusu Pepra. Mildred Mensa, grace to keep the fire burning. Nyarko Pon Insha. Uncle Joe, I'm looking up to you. Emmanuel and Ekasa. Akun Parkwesi David. Great man Joe Mettle, I need you and I need your contact. Robert Afelbedu. Thank you so much, bro. Maya mame inti assembly in you. Latifa Seidu, Joe, greetings from Elim Church, Sunyani for nyina
yeah, hi.
Elim Church. Uko nyina.
Yeah.
It Ghana region band I won't perform you so far.
Menkayo. I think we've done Wa Bolga, Sunyani, Bebe.
Okay, so Denzel Prempe is watching us, Minister Denzel Prempe. Oh, hell. Now, your songs are very inspirational, motivational, and uplifting. Keep it up. Abena Echam. We love you, Minister Joe Mettle. God bless you so much. Richard Ankoma II. Uncle, please ask Uncle Joe, is everything well between himself and Charlie Keys and his wife? Because we didn't see them at Praise Reloaded program.
They're not in Ghana. They've not been in Ghana for a while.
Okay. Yeah. So you've been answered. Efia JJ, my mentor, God bless you. Anita Ohinidia, I pray he get a better woman so that the ladies stop worrying him. Have you complained that ladies are worrying you? Hey, so Ghana for you're fine too much. Listening to you, your humility and obedience, Ibrahim, vision and presentation of the church. Why people? Okay, right. I'll use my discretion to edit some of the messages. Jacqueline Kwansa, I share the same birthday with Joe Mettle, and I like him since so winners days. All great musicians are born in July, including myself, Abeku. God bless you. Joe, hymns need dear. Well, I will sing it forever. Bless her, bro. Helena, Nana Ama Akonoba Drowsty, New York. Greetings to you. Christopher Smith Hagan, I see you watching. Nana Ousu Bonsu. When is he getting married? Joe, can messages if you have some on your timeline?
Oh, so on my timeline.
On your timeline, yes. Ebinum Beshe from you, and I say, yeah.
Okay, let me go.
So quickly check it. Andrew Opoku, I want to join your team. Bright Nyame, God bless you, Minister. We are watching you live from Canada. Bright Nyame, Joe Yosin, Brad Joe. We are waiting for you. Our Winneba Victory Bible Church. Winneba, God bless you. Agnes Kwachua, God bless you. Please, where is Prince Sana, your bassist, and Sana?
Sana is also not in town. Some of the guys have traveled into. They are not around anymore. Prince is still around.
Obi busa say ontade no to ontade na ya wo hye wo African wear no Jerry Gatti or the chow ana oto
some way there. I'm a face of the brand.
You're the face of the brand. Oshema brand untia.
Jerry Gatti. All day, every day.
Oshema brand untia. Okay. Powerful ministration. God bless you. I'm Gideon. Me a welder. I'm a watabora. I once led a choir by his song or Hene Kese Ewon Kranza. Here and easy. Joe Mettle wonyom your boy a crap papa. We don't see J Loops as well these days. Where is he, Joe?
Oh, I'm not sure they've been following. J Loops was with us on Sunday. And also guys, especially those of you who follow, sometimes when you go on their pages, most of these guys are also very interactive. You know, sometimes please link up with them. By just checking up on them, you should be able to encourage them as well.
Now we host a workshop so that we can come over since we're looking up to you.
We were actually going to do something before the whole COVID thing, so we're hoping that maybe BBR cut down kakra, we should be able to start.
And so far, womba OT region, adentia.
OT they have some Nyarko yet.
Okay, region ben I won't call so far.
You see, our region is on my pipe. I feel I'm here.
Okay, yeah, OT region, yeah, Western North, yeah, Bono region, yeah, Savannah region, and one format Tamale, and yeah, Savannah region, different from Northern region.
Oh, okay.
Savannah region different from Northern.
I think say on the your end see and say mission the next time I hand me.
Yeah.
See there hasn't been shared any move papa.
Okay. Lovely Queen New York Bronx. I'll say I'm just enjoying the show today. Thank you so much, lovely Queen. God bless you. Nana and Sue, bless you, boss. Today is my wedding anniversary, and Joe Mettle is here. Irabna Ejare Aferi. I love you, Joe. God bless you. We love you, Joe Mettle from Richard and Botre. More grace from Bismarck. Bodo. What happened between Joe Mettle and Bellamundi? Whoa. Did something happen? I don't know about that. Councillor Lutot's wife is watching. Do you know Councillor Lutot's wife?
Yes, I not personally, but because I was at their wedding, I happen to know.
Who called Councillor Lutot wedding?
That time, not on your councillor.
No, your councillor. Wow, maybe Satan and
because me, okay. As much as I can be waha. Oba be coming to me until the ninja. Onyo be away to me na.
But wouldn't even know before.
George.
But on Kai, wow. It's a Councillor Lutot wife. Unim Joe Mettle our wedding day. Yo. Okay. Good job, Joe. Delaware, we are waiting for you after COVID-19. Irama Amoa. Please, Joe Mettle, kindly perform Enyonyam Inshira for me. Akosia Chewa, love you, watching you from New York. Kwame Daniel, I love him because he's very humble. God bless you, Joe Mettle from Harriet to Usu, Emmanuel Boating, Prince Senna. Anyway, I'm Marvin, solo minister. Joe, God bless you. You have to sing my song. Oh, I love your lyrics and your humility. Maya Nanyo Ofori, thank you, Osofu Joe Mettle. Are you a pastor?
Not by ordination,
but by singing.
Yes, God has put people around me that I lead and all that. That's just what it is.
Okay, Maya Nanyo Ofori said the NT of Osofu, you are always in her car from Colorado. Or America. Just say Unyumwana or the preaching. Your songs are awesome. Cooks Newton, God bless you. Denzel Prempe. I see pressure questions in Kwa Denzel and one amodeba. Me, I'm reading the questions. And it's time I say you see me this question. I'm a katika.
But say me can me read me. Who's how you be film?
Oh, me be film because if you on my bed dragging here, man. My mentor all day, God bless you, Minister Stephen Amwako. May you continue to be a blessing, favor you, bless you, Minister from Stephen Amwako. Joseph Kwame Anan, hello, bro, I love you, Joe Pa. You look good in blue. As a blue, your favorite color. Is that true?
Yeah, I love shades of blue.
Now, Joe Mettle, you were raised or you started your music journey with Soul Winners as a lead singer.
Yeah.
Now what did you saying at that time?
Wow, I can't remember, but I think it was somewhere around 2006, 2007, thereabout. Yeah. Okay.
Now, Soul Winners, even back in the 90s, was one of the multicultural, dynamic, gospel group.
Yeah.
Me school 94. Now. That time we work Ghana National College. Burning fire. Most of our mates, echo join Joyful Way Incorporated.
Okay.
No more year rehearsals. Shout out to Asa Nkuma, then at Infantipim and those of us in Ghana National College. But I didn't join though. But I love to sing. And how dynamic na gospel singing groups to say. Joyful Way Incorporated, any soul winners.
Yeah.
But say me form what to say artist me find it say Joyful Way Incorporated. I know what to say Sakode success. And soul winners I know what to say pa shatter.
Okay. Okay, no, I mean I'm trying to understand. I can maybe say what would make
okay
back here gidi na back here. Okay.
It's who fire brand so winners mu and who abrofo sam me pay me one sam corporate Joyful Way Incorporated. It's ebani saying and I would join it so winners
and a man joining Joyful Way
but because your demeanor and who you will be here calm now Joyful Way. So what's the name of your former leader? Give me the name. The leader of sorry, not Joyful Way, Soul Winners.
Oh, Apia. Yeah.
Apia to say shatter. Eba gospel mu Apia to say shatter. Apia megina stage sabe on fa microphone and to on catch actually non fata. You understand?
Yeah.
Iti udimi na no we obi we are calm. I don't know Uncle Joyful Way now joining Soul Winners.
I think so. Soul Winners na enyam na me join here. So Soul Winners back in the day unjoin omo invite you. That was how the group was. And when they want you, they omutun safrel, and that was what happened. So I think when Apia left, Justice back in the day of Stars of the Future was with them for a while, and then I think he also traveled or something, and then they asked me to come. And I guess part of the reasons, not only me so many times say me praise and worship or sorry exhibition and Sons of God, because that was where sometimes they used to do rehearsal near day, and so they invited that I should come join. I think sometimes like we are saying, somebody like even Apia, he's not on shada gidi gidi. I think it's that whole element. Once you get into that space, as a susum no nyame susum no basana. So sometimes you'll be shocked that the person can also really cover on a normal dollars not like as on casa. So that was what happened with Soul Winners. But I think one of the things too was also the language near day. Because Soul Winners is a bit dynamic. So they needed somebody who could speak Ga, speak Chi, speak everything. Because some of them are Ga songs and elective. Elective Ga part.
But you are a Ga.
Yes, so it was easier for me.
Soul Winners. In the time here were you part of them?
I joined the Walabolo. So Walabolo was my first album I did with them.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know this song, Soul Winners, this song, Joe Mettle was there. It brings memories. So one would have expected or thought say joining Soul Winners more praises. I know say no more worship more. And ka influence music,
to be praised.
Why you more worship than praises?
I think I've always known that that's where my direction was. What I was doing was, because I was Soul Winners, that was Soul Winners' sound. So I made sure that I followed the leadership and what the representation of Soul Winners was. And so even though I added a little bit of who I was to the group, I made sure that I worked more on the lines of the group and not out of what they wanted to do. That's why when it was time for me, it got to a point I realized that there's more of the worshipful kind of things coming, and it was a lot. When I stepped out, I just had to start working directly into it.
Okay, now your Wind of Revival, it topped the chart. Gospel artists be good. I mean, I can tell you there are a lot of talents. Ghana radio presenters, na ye kill talents. Yeah, what talents or me you good.
Yeah.
And until I may be me to discovering new talent. Not the be a mobile radio. So we have been too inward looking. We don't give chance. Into there be a one way songs in Kwanebo, but your talents be brave. Eban is saying now, utumi ba out with Wind of Revival na a topic chart, not only in Ghana, your core digital platforms are with streams in there, downloads, baby. Now, so artists, baby, they are complaining. They say the gospel, you na go, you Antonio mo, fine.
I think what I did was, I just did what God told me to do. And year one. And then followed it, worked on it. In addition to that, one of the things I always also tell most of my friends is go for the quality. Like, it doesn't matter how difficult it will be. If you believe in what you have and what you carry, invest into it. And so what most people don't know is we invest a lot into the productions that we do. Even for the Wind of Revival, like, we invested quite a lot to make sure that apart from the production, the Spirit of God over it, the quality too will be good. And so basically that's what we did. And then the next thing is promotion, making sure that we place it at the right places, pushing it at the right spots and other things. Yeah,
baba Reverb, your company. Na busa ekwan a ofa so boa gospel musicians and gospel artists. I think a lot of gospel artists are struggling. What can say you have to invest? Invest where? On bed then no man. I think they've been more struggle. A lot of people are struggling. They can't make it.
Okay, one time I was sharing with somebody, say, you see, like with iTunes and other places, for instance, I've actually had my stuff on iTunes for years. I started putting my music on iTunes somewhere in 2010, 2011, thereabout.
Wow.
Around that time, I didn't have numbers. Instead of iTunes paying me, I was rather paying iTunes.
Wow.
Because, every year they deduct from the store that you've...
So you sponsor.
But I believed in what I was doing. I still kept loading songs there. Around that time, I'm iTunes. Because I finished soon, TuneCore would rather deduct the money. Because once I was start here, back those times, instead of they ask you to add your credit card to the thing. See, my credit card, instead of saying for better new for a month, now you me rather until over time. So I was telling the person, say, I won't say be and now you see the numbers, but I've had to also do a lot of sacrifices in the past, believing in what, and I pushed it, trusted God, say He knew what He had called me to do. As if I just put it there. So you won't believe, say, when some of the other albums started making waves now, it made people go back to the older ones I had loaded up now. Those time, people realize, oh, this is also a blessing. Oh wow, this old song of yours.
Into on you, baby.
Oh, baby, on iTunes,
wow. Over 10 years, so they will go iTunes.
They go, we were, and I remember when we even started, because around that time, now YouTube, there was no YouTube. There was no YouTube in the early stages. I think later, I think maybe YouTube has been there for a while, but then started now almost monetizing social, until the video crowd to yesterday. Said then I'm more the new chiche, more yes. But
you have grown as a musician, as an artist, as a performer. Usia when your school be baby amukusia.
Oh, I think that one of the things that have helped me was some of the people I served with. It really helped me, because I always tell people that service will teach you things that nothing else can teach you. Because the point is, when you serve with other people, you get exposed to things around them conform which they aim. Ebia onipa na nche won tena won kase se ne no but uhunu so ye ne de bia no usua. So I would say that from the likes of the Cindy Sings, from the likes of the late Minister Daninete, and even my affiliation with Soul Winners taught me a lot. Because it's me, so all those things helped me. And then when I moved back in to doing solo, some of the things I made mistakes, learned from it.
Let's come to the evolution of our gospel music. Our gospel music has changed, over the years.
Okay.
You share the traditional gospel, SSA. Gradually, urban contemporary gospel take over. We share the rhythms, the song production, and even at the end of this answer about gospel music, the change.
I think it's the youth and exposure. So the internet as well. Back in the day, we're not that exposed to some of the things that we are now. First, now they had ideas and things of how to go about certain things. Today, there's YouTube. You know what is happening out there. And so what we are doing even now is not throwing away what is already there, but shining a light on it.
Too much. Nti ebeden na agbogblosifoi ene malatafoi.
That's the beauty of an album. O study album say o ye album a enya ni nyina na wosa you know. You do the music for everyone when you do that, especially when you do albums. They say be anyuma e ba mi hia Yesu. Mi hia Yesu my bro for no so omonte ase. But at the same time, you know, you shine a little bit of light of contemporary over it. So even when the words they don't understand the tree language you're speaking, translations are there, and then melody also makes sense to their spirit.
From 2010, you've been in the business over 12, 13, 14 years. But from 2010, the ban say what started say breaky, you know, borders and stuff. For instance, Nigeria. You and Nathaniel Bassi, this one. Is that the way to go to break in the international market? Feature foreign artists.
Oh, I think, you see, for me, what I tell people every time is motive is very important. The motive why you do what you do. If it's a calculation, I felt like, okay, this song carries that kind of vibe where a person like Nathaniel would sound amazing on. That was it. But at the same time, whilst that is the case,
it we are the
like artist no one literally. That's how I'm able to most of the time choose. So and I always say, but by the time when they kasa, don't say what the new man on one kasa, like they always are excited even to do the song. So this is actually probably like I have like 3 or 4 different songs with Nathaniel. We've done different songs.
Yanko South Africa. When, Ntokozo. In South Africa and Nigeria, South Africa. Okay, so West Africa, South Africa, another market in Africa, gospel music and especially urban gospel is rapidly growing. East Africa, Kenya, Tanzania.
Yeah.
how is your penetration?
By God's grace, we're working towards that. I think we've already started doing stuff in Kenya. Nyame adom, ya start say air productions ni other things. Ewo hosisia. The channel Koro. Koro say
Koro betwem.
Once Koro chema, we're going back to all those.
Mamimbusa we yebebo new one. Okay. Mamimbusa what is one of the biggest misconception about gospel artists? Ede adwene enanko of dream for gospel artists ho a enye no kre otiti bisa ede nanko for tasusufa gospel artists ho a utumi say enye no kre, but I say a perception adwene bi ankrofo nyama gospel artists.
I think one of the things for me is the fact that especially with events, this is Kenti no more. I get to hear that a lot. Adenti na mojiska, sikenti na mo, skenti. And sometimes I look at the thing and who say, "Ebi a ticket no." You got probably 15% of your cost of production from the tickets. Meanwhile, I see tickets in a sikenti na OG ticket, or like that's the motive why you do the things you do. But it has never been the case.
Now Crawford Green said gospel artist and make iska, but we need a artist of the year no na you share because requirement no any secular ones in your pet into maybe no use you met to the okofani 100,000 on the shatter jipe or on the sako the jipe sign it here.
Oh, and I mean we understand when it's a church. Oh, if you are going to minister to the church, it's not the same as an event organizer or organizing a tour be a show be you've been called on to do it, and so it's not always the same. I mean, there are events definitely more baby some more but it's not always the case. And secondly, we do more of church administrations than we do event organizers. So event organizer when they be a best and normally so, but then when it's like a church administration, you just go be a blessing. There may be a bar fireman, so sometimes we go.
Cindy Thompson,
Akochem
Nyame.
Yes.
You used to back Cindy Thompson.
Yes.
Which year was that?
Wow. That was actually before I joined Soul Winners. Yeah, so I was with Cindy before I joined Soul Winners. So it was actually after.
When is Cindy Thompson 19 if you do was saying?
I think I was with for more than 2 years. Yes. Oh, we did some like trips. I think the first time I went to Togo, I was with Cindy. The first time I went to Abidjan, I was then with Cindy. And by then, what people didn't know was when I joined the band, there was no. Sorry, we joined in band and not space be anywhere. Met me the afternoon because not singers in the Dawson. Inti, emami Bob. The only reason I met me, only way I met me rap band, me say me Bobby. And around that time, so drama or no, there's no way I made to be to know. Until we go about percussion. Man. So that time me drama and they are about me drama, they on another drama and I'm the percussionist. So that's how I got to roll with the band.
Inti ubo percussion ma Cindy Thompson. Ubo konka. E ma Cindy Thompson.
Yeah.
And now sound so tonyum e back no.
No, no dey woman na me bito. But
na chese won qualify class or be back no.
David. Satana me.
Udi na chi udi Cindy Thompson achi na ubo konka. E de kwa Abidjan ni Togo. Inti adenti na wo ye Akochem Nyame no wo one na nye as remix na wo ye no like wo cover.
So there was something with Akochem Nyame. When I me hear Akochem Nyame no, the idea was not to say me record. Once I hear me suro no. During the time I hear rehearsal me suro no na. And I just started flowing in and the guy started playing. I was like, you know what, this will work. So I spoke to Cindy said I wanted to do it as an extension. But yeah, record you and I'm saying no. The way so it was supposed to be like some coda na turn around be in addition to the song, then would have come back to the song again. But air corner na so most of the part of that Akochem now you share down reze na you flow sa ena ekoba sa.
Esther Smith, good afternoon to Esther Smith.
Hi.
Minister Esther Smith hey Denzel so sending messages pa
Denzel see the crowd.
Denzel beba show you so this month and Reverend PJ Markwe also beba show you so this month yanti pamcho mon share so
Denzel only how
o say
our Missouri
yeah
oh shit it's not bad
and one me chat it said
Pabna yes bra America for be in bra
afen so ye hwe a o feature pa why say sa akode obiara ya n'enwuma no a feature obiara n'enwuma no a feature
I think most of the time, you know, it's a way to also push and also encourage other people. When we were coming up, we didn't get that kind of chance. So I feel once the song is a blessing to me, I don't think it's a problem. I'll do it for you.
O share dey answer no feature obi because o share nyom no.
I think a nyom and then nipa no because I feel once you are featuring somebody, no, it's an endorsement on the person as well. Inti say be our feature be na chire wa ko say enye dey awye na che say dey aseme bro. You know, you need to be able to stand with the person. Yeah, I should be able to also share it. I should be able to support. I should be able to promote the song and then the person. I need to know who they are to be able to do it.
Right, me babe bo wonyum baako. I say enyum no popular pa nkrofo pepa. Meaning the inspiration behind the song.
Okay.
Hallelujah. Celebrate Jesus with me tonight. Hallelujah. All right, so this song is my testimony. Amen. Can I share with you tonight?
Obisa, Her Excellency the First Lady is also watching.
Oh.
Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo.
Wow.
But mo mesremo ye Christopher ye nyentokwa me pamucho. Messages ni bi wonma ehun hia menkai. Mosi obi share with different account. I will not mention the name. It's not important. Okay, so Minister Mettle, yes, so two hymns. Copy and paste. Copy Methodist hymn. No paste here Reverb Studio. Copy way. How many hymn songs are now to compare to average year? Hymns and songs are one kasawacho on the scale and percentage wise.
I wouldn't even know. Because normally man, you don't take note of them. You just record. And most of the time, there are times some of those songs they are not intentional things that will record it. It be a event be. In addition to the administration you are doing, you just add one song be in passing. But sometimes we will say, oh wow, it really sounds amazing. It was a blessing. Then you share it with people. That's it.
Right, gospel there. Na him fie Kumasi. If you search a Dumasi gospel, Ahinsan gospel, Kwadaso gospel, Bantuma SDA, Ediba Professor Kofi Abraham. Woman no mo shas yes o mo gospel. Ansana ye mame Mary Gansa no muni ade kraba beka. Daughters of Glory Jesus so many no me Kumasi for. But ye ka Kumasi indigenous Kumasi a. Kumasi gospel no eno ne de ton ade wo dwom no. Kumasi gospel no eno nso eno ena woti si baby a wo ma kwam o Yesu Kristo di mu nti wani wani begu ase Kumasi gospel no ye de ani bre o Jasius.
Oh, I mean, growing up, one of the tips are now your bow me fee pa estanyamiche. So I grew up on music like that. Everybody ni mi shefu shiri ami o mamida era from dibia
we your version
ojamiko ensua unju. Yeah, that's odimi fa kwantinisu ni dinunti
but says wait
obusanzu ready no
says here no what to it say ICGC but Kumasi no yanto no say everybody me gba chafo I don't know. I say, bia eno na wo bi busa say da ben na be start here feature Kumasi gospel artist.
Oh, yeah, baby. Say, okay, I'm sure there's a lot
Brother
of
Sammy.
There's a lot
Brother Sammy and Ernest Opoku. Da ben na be what feature and cranfo abrofo no too much. Me patcho pesa Nyarko onye Kumasi artist oye asimfosu nti a point of correction. Yeah. Onye Kumasi oye asimfosu gospel artist nti wa woka ode ne ka eye Kumasi ye from Nana Prems pesa Nyarko ono ofi asimfosu like Kumasi for ne brother Same ne Ernesto Poku no
say obi say I think say recently prepared by her. Oh
yeah
he's part of my team. Oh say honestly Kumasi no ofi okay but honestly bro kakra
and I say akase brimpo
Kumasi I mean Kumasi
but you see
I mean movie abanka
say bi okofa Kumasi CCC
okay
for edio be fra Accra ICGC
anibia the same
I say wuti Kumasi na wuti inhia so ene ahodwo I say cantonment ni jowulu na me ka eye Kurofrom meka Kurofrom Kumasi me pa kire eye Ashtown what do you say Ashtown gospel me pe eye Kumasi eye Joma Bronsan gospel yes akase Brimpo is a Kumasi musician
yeah
okay Kofi Antwi Mate why Mate I just love his songs. You're too much. Mettle is simply appointed, anointed with assignment. God bless you and keep you, bro. Aloysius Mike Petigo. Right, thank you so much. Watching live from Koforia, your songs really minister to me. My family DSM messages and made to me are kind be over 1,500 people watching us right now, and mean to me kind in about fan cheme. Mame fa and kratui in kremo. Registered General Department say yemfanto companies are a year under limited by shares, and now say by guarantee, and now and sorry ni ankwankre companies say. Eyemrase afibia no obe file wo annual returns na bosumi wei ekona wie 31st July na company bia won file o returns no ese by that time no file nti register general for say yemfanto manim say akrofo bi ninam e ka che nkrofo say register general say wo ko renew business registration every year say the mobile money account aba ese say wutuatum omo say enye no kre and almost say when to your registration renewal na you be cancel register general say enye no kre nemum every year be an business name renewal no 25 cedis pe say when to your attractive penalty be nemum annual returns no eno na every year no o file a 50 cedis nemum say one file na penalty ebeda so a 400 inti na ba be 450 cedis enti bomodian say obekwa akweden akwa file wo annual returns ko register general ana say wo pencheche mu bia for 0244 619 545 0244 619 545 utie okay 101.7 FM yede nkomotwetwe no eba na wieye na I believe say questions bia mo pese Bibusa biano, mebusa mamo. Enye ni nyina na metumi ebisa. Your marriage has become like a national concern, if I may put it. Enkrofo adwen wa wade ye ho say Mettle the way Nyankopon apagya we enkrofo anisa pedofo say edom anisa de oso entakrache. Enam so waba beye international artist intino. Kofo busa se wadidie mu wan enu aduane ma wan na ne da anajo sa wode wa just kofo adwen wo brajo obi basi ojo da bem
ebebaso ebebaso o de o de me sa da me ka che on ho off air no na echire ya ka no on air on
enti obe ka che me off air na ma ka che nkrofo on air na sa won sa to bi so de da
oh yeah ndie
okay enti Auntie Matthew, Mettle say ne sa to bi so de da. Enye say onige anyway. Owobi. Owobi. Enti mo mane ha mo omuguso. Some abusu ani mo ho.
Oh, bibia.
I sorry cry away.
Okay, kako.
Your fancy, yeah. Your fancy. Now, Joe says, "I say, Uja Abodri. I mean, you are growing beard. Is it a rebranding and a new face?"
I think during COVID, no. And I said, COVID, I don't know. It's just trying to see if we can change your face a little bit.
Obi say, we hope say enkoye Bella Mundi.
Ya kasa se musa se omo tete enyo no.
Then say cry say oju.
Oh sumame. Like governor
Joe Mettle a brew question we.
Oh. Ebe ba mama worry. Oh. When you beji.
Recently, and feature and I say a kese brimpon a feature.
Yeah.
But now also the one you ba. Affected works say what feature and will be a feature in 2 weeks, 3 weeks time. Now also the what the aba.
Not really. I think sometimes we even communicate on these things. Me the NSA, you know, I finished this song a long time ago, but I never released it. I guess it too had it for over a year, and so now also release it. Timing, but it doesn't. And I thought the big crown, a be push you be. Obi wo ha
a boy
media na otia na or the akotia kesede na be otia kesede na. So it helps itself. Obonse na pushing home.
Okay. So for the new one, the new single, Joe Mettle at the Fofro Abba Cry Yesumo. Is it an album and single?
This is a single. So this year they release a few singles. So because Wind of Revival is still a age man per se and also Kokakra.
Okay. Reverend Pajo Makwe. Reverend Iman.
Yes, boss. Reverend Makwe, we seniors. Reverend Pajo, PJ Makwe. PJ the senior.
Voice be a Ukrano.
Senior. Also, all correct, sir.
Also, a year. You bless the mic this month into
nice.
on share Maya into your per se deneba. All right. Thank you so much, Minister Reverend PJ Makwe, watching us. Denzel has already hashtag yes mo.